"What is it?" his father asked. "I see a monster on my floor," Terry told him. "I hear it creeping closer. It goes creak, creak, creak." Terry's father turned on the light. "You were seeing the rug," he said. "And you were hearing the boards in the floor creak. Sometimes boards do that when they cool down at night." "I'm glad that's all it was," Terry said with a yawn. "And I'm glad you feel better," his father whispered. "No need to worry about that floorboard monster. Good night." Terry tried harder than ever to go to sleep, but he just couldn't. And while he lay there, looking out the window, he saw a witch, and he heard her pecking at the glass. Tap, tap, tap. She was trying to get in. "Daddy!" Terry yelled.